Using the text media type inside your courses. From the dashboard, go to Courses and then open the course. If you're already in the course, just go to the Curriculum tab and create a new lesson. You can also add the media to existing lessons as well. Let's click Add Lesson and let's type in here text. Let's save the changes and click the little text icon here. This will open up a WYSIWYG editor with several formatting options along the top here. If I type this title, I can change the formatting in here to heading text. I can also change the color and various options. I can change format, I can make it bold, italic, strike through, I can upload an image, I can insert a table, I can even drop a link in there. I can put a line between sections. I can also undo and redo any changes. I can underline. I can use numbered bullets and list type bullets. And I can also subscript, superscript, subscript, change the text color, change the font size, the alignment, and the font type. The WYSIWYG editor is designed to make it very easy for you to edit. And can be used for writing descriptions about what your user is going to see. Once you've finished writing and formatting all of the text, all you need to do is click Save. Let's now preview this inside of the curriculum. Go to Preview and down to Course Curriculum. On the left hand side, let's scroll down to that lesson, which was under Other Media. And text, and you will see your text displayed inside.